Hello everyone, home business expert here, Amy Hunt. I'm super excited to record today because something has happened over the weekend, actually yesterday, and I really want to share it with you. As a result, am going to be giving some things away. So stay tuned, check out the rest of the video to see how you can perhaps get something for free from me. And don't be one of those people that thinks, oh, I'll never win, because I'm giving it repeatedly over the next 3 months. So check out the rest of this video and see if you too can be a winner. See you on the other side. So let me tell you, you're going to get a couple things for free, and it's repeated over the month. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications. I'm going to talk about the number 12 today. I know it's an interesting thing because it's something that, why would she be talking about number 12? The number 12 is actually a representation of authority and perfection. It represents the church and faith in general, divine rule. It's a symbol of perfect government of God. There's a lot of things I learned about the number 12 because I wanted to make this video exciting for you. But why? You can see F12 on the keyboard. The clocks are made from 12. Uniforms. There's all sorts of things I found online that are 12. Obviously, dozens. Most popular, eggs and donuts. I looked it up in the Bible, the significance of 12, and all kinds of information came up about the disciples, tribes of Israel. I actually have a necklace that has 12 gems in it. The Greeks worship 12 major gods. Now, why am I talking about the number 12? Stay tuned to find out the perfection of 12. And I was so excited to share with you why I am talking about the number 12 today. I'm going to give you some free stuff, and there's going to be 12 things that are free. There's even a movie called 12. I thought that was crazy. Before we get into what's free, I want to tell you what I'm going to be doing new on my channel. Fun Box Friday. So my kids and I, on Fridays, I call it Fun Box Friday because my Amazon ship day is Friday. So I decided to make my channel a little bit more, interesting, or maybe a little bit, maybe not necessarily interesting, but just give it a little twist. And if you have a product that you want to sell or you want me to advertise, whether it's a software or an actual product, I really like the actual products on Fridays because what I'm calling it is Fun Unbox Friday. I tell my kids, this is Fun Box Friday because we get our box from Amazon. We take stuff out. But send me your product or send me an email. Go to amyhunt.biz, contact me about what your product is, and I'll do a review on it. So on Fridays, I'm going to do product reviews. So check that out on Fridays. See what's interesting, what's new in home business experts world of products. So check out the rest of the video to see how you can get your free stuff. Anyway, here it is, the big reveal. I just reached 12,000 subscribers. I took shots, I took screenshots for each subscriber. So if you were those last few over this weekend, you subscribed to me, I appreciate it. Hopefully you enable notifications so you get the updated videos. Here's when I recorded it live.
There it is. 12K.
I sat there with my husband and recorded it and showed him. I was pretty excited that I got 12,000 subs. So what does that mean for you? So to celebrate, I'm going to do something for you subscribing. I'm going to give you something to thank you for taking the time out to watch my channel. You could be a winner. Pay attention to the rest of this video to find out how simple this is for you to become a winner, because I'm not only going to give it to you now, I'm going to give it to you in October, the chance to win, and I'm going to give it to you in November, the chance to win. So basically 36 people, 12 each month. On the 12th of the month, this product or this free thing will be revealed to you. So what is this free thing? It's kind of two things, okay? September will be the first time that I do this with you, and I'll tell you here in a minute how you can qualify for it. September 12th, I am offering you to learn online with me one-on-one sessions. So if you want a one-on-one session, you want to start making some money online, this is what you need to do. So if you're interested in earning some money online, go to amyhunt.biz. All right. So this is what amyhunt.biz looks like. You're going to just scroll down and there's a section here that says subscribe. Put your email in there. I'm going to see your email. And what I'll do is send you a personal invitation for September 12th at probably 7 p.m. Just stay tuned for that Eastern time for a one-on-one service. So what that service is, and if you don't win and you don't get that email and you want the one-on-one service, you just click services here and you can scroll down. This takes a minute to load, but you can see the different phone and screen share services that I offer. This is going to be a screen share with 10 other people. We are going to meet together as a group. It's right here, the Power 60-minute screen share. It is worth $60, so all you have to do is subscribe. The first 10 people that subscribe after watching this video, and then I'll go in, and when you subscribe, I'll see your email. I'm going to send an invitation to you for a free session. Each month I'm going to have an incentive for you to do something to get that free session. So on the 12th of every month, so the 12th of October, the 12th of November, I'm doing it for 3 months. You have the chance to get that. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is if you're not in the top 10, and the reason why it's 10 is because my streaming service that I have that I'm going to share information, I know it's not Zoom. I like to use something else. I have room for 10 people. So what I'm also giving away is, it's not a big loss. If you're number 11 and 12, I'm giving away this UV light sterilization device. So all you have to do is pay for shipping. Again, what you need to do is subscribe to amyhunt.biz. Let me get this thing open. So basically, this is like a sterilization light. Like with everything going on with the pandemic, guys, you need to have a backup plan. And I'm not talking about sanitization. What I'm talking about is financially. So there's a lot of scare going on out there about, you know, where to put your money, what to invest in, is your job secure? You better have a plan B. I haven't really talked about that a whole lot, but I have like a plan B, C, D, E, F. And in the comments below, and I'll show you this here in a second, but I really need to talk to you about this. In the comments, please tell me what you want to learn, what your need is. I mean, maybe you're a student, maybe you're a parent, maybe you're a single parent. What is your situation? You don't have to go into detail, but let me know. If you have a plan A, which is like your normal job every day, what is your plan B? Like, if you lose your job, how are you going to eat? And that's why you're here. I get it. Okay? That's why I made this channel, so people can have an option and learn about a plan B. But what are you interested in? Are you interested in print on demand? Are you interested in Amazon, your own product at Amazon? Are you interested in drop shipping? Are you interested in having your own store? Write in the comments below what you're interested in so I know how to gear my channel, or maybe in our one-on-one sessions or whatever it might be, that I can help you. I'm scared for you guys. I have income coming in. If one goes down, the other ones are still going. The only time it's going to crash for me is if the internet goes down, which I know is a possibility. But tell me about you. Tell me what your needs are. Tell me where you want to go. But let's get back to this. Every month I'm giving away 2 of these. These are sanitization wands. So all you do is you push this button here, and it retails for about $20 to $30. This one will actually be in the description below if you didn't win. And all you do when you come home is you scan your phone, you scan your computer, and it disinfects, okay, because of the UV aspect here. So if you aren't already a subscriber to my channel and this type of stuff interests you, making money from home, making money online, subscribe to my channel, enable notifications. I will have more incentives. Those incentives are going to be revealed again in videos on September 12th, October 12th, and November 12th. Something free is coming. You'll just have to check back then to see what it is. In the meantime, subscribe, enable notifications to get the videos that are in between. But again, guys, see you in the next video.